Hi family, welcome home. I'm Lily Rose and this is my husband Tony. We're from Down Home Barbecue and we're going to be making some delicious barbecue. We are making smoked bacon wrapped jalapenos. Right here we have a whole jalapeno, some smoked cream cheese. Now if you want to see our recipe, just link right there above. First, we're going to go ahead and take this whole jalapeno, cut this stem off, and then Tony, could you cut that in half?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to go ahead and take the seeds and membranes out and stuff it with that smoked cream cheese. Now, as we grill today, you might see some other delicious items on our grill, and that's because when my baby heats that grill up, I'm gonna fill it. So, this video will be in 3 parts. Part 1, the smoked bacon wrapped jalapeno papas. Look at that. So we have 2 halves from 1 pepper. We're going to stuff it here with that smoked cream cheese. And then I have some bacon here. Now this is regular cut bacon. You really don't want to get the thick cut because on the grill it just doesn't get as crispy. I'm simply stuffing that jalapeno with smoked cream cheese and wrapping that bacon around. Was that easy or what? Let's get these on the grill. Jalapeno poppers, smoked bacon wrapped on the grill. Smoked bacon wrapped jalapeno papas on the grill. We're Down Home Barbecue. Please subscribe to our channel.